The food is sweet, so hey. Oh. We are making a braised rice, 1 portion braised rice. Yeah. Or 1 portion of oily rice. So I put a small onion here because I don't like too much onion to smell on my rice. Yeah. This is my soaked rice. Yeah, I soak it with vinegar and sauce and a little lemon juice. So I want the onion. I'm using olive oil. Yeah, I'm using olive oil because you know olive oil is so healthy than some of these oils because it's healthy. Yeah. Okay, so I added the rice to the oil. So I just added the rice to the brownie, to the oil and the brownie onion. Yeah. So let's add a little hot water. Did not add salt because the rice I soaked with vinegar, salt and lemon juice. That's why I did not add salt here because the rice is already soaked with salt. Okay, so my oily rice or braised rice or whatever is cooked and the taste is good. Okay, so this is the rice I was very simple. You don't need to stress yourself, you understand? Yeah. Ketchup I can't eat. So this is my simple. I have my carrot here and I have my okra here, my fresh okra, my sliced onion and my pepper. We are going to, you see, small hand, very simple, no stress. You will ask me why you don't have egg, why you don't have chicken, why I didn't tell you that I'm preparing rice, braised rice with chicken. I just cook my braised rice with this. If you want to join me, you are welcome. I love you. And this is my little ketchup. Very simple. It's not attractive, but don't worry. It's for myself. I love you. The food is sweet, so hey. Oh. the show.